Hi, I'm Jared. I play rhythm guitar and lead vocals.
Billy, lead guitar. Sometimes I sing.
Rick, bass.
I'm Warren. I play drums.
TMU. Our sound, we've dubbed NorCal Dadcore, and I don't totally know what that means, but I know that we have a lot of punk rock influence and I don't know, grunge. We grew up listening to like grunge and stuff like that, so that's kind of in there. And yeah, it's sometimes hard to define. I don't think a lot of our songs sound different from each other, so it kind of just depends on what we end up rolling with.
Welcome back to Stinger Sound Sessions. My name is Cristian Gonzalez, and today we're joined by TMU, a dadcore punk band based out of Northern California. Dive into the waves of feedback and chug along. Let's get started.
Nothing but darkness, and it's all around me. Don't know where I am, don't know where I've been. There's no way for a man to live. Anxiety and panic attacks. I tried so hard I can relax. I can't wait for this to be over. I think it's time that think it's time that I got sober. Think it's time that I got sober. I just want this to be over. Think it's time, but I can't see. There's nothing but darkness, and it's all around me. I reach out for you, but you're not there. My head's held down, capable for air. Anxiety and panic attacks. I tried so hard I can relax. I can't wait for this to be over. I think it's time that think it's time that I got sober. Think it's time that I got sober. I just want this to be over. Think it's time. Feel it coming again. That deep dark sea. I feel it coming again. When will it let me be? Feel it coming again. My hated friend. Feel it coming again. Will it ever end? Anxiety and panic attacks. I tried so hard I can relax. I can't wait for this to be over. I think it's time that think it's time that I got sober. Think it's time that I got sober. I just want this to be over. Think it's time that I got sober.
I grew up listening to kind of a lot of melodic punk. No Use for a Name was the first punk band I ever got into, which led into, other similar stuff. Lagwagon, Strung Out, Bad Religion, Descendants, that kind of stuff for me.
I come from more of a DC, New York hardcore background, listening to stuff when I was a teenager, and was in a band when I was in my teen years of that type of music. And like Warren said, playing this style of music was just something that just came out naturally when me and him started playing together.
and nothing I've ever done before, but really enjoy it.
I would say my tastes vary in what I draw from for influences. I like music with good guitars in it. I like Neil Young a lot, and I have since that's probably my first memory of anyone playing a guitar. I was seeing him.
My background in music is most similar to Warren, I would say. We listen to a lot of the same bands, and I think when we've been friends for over 20 years, and that was, besides skating, one of the things we bonded and became friends over was talking about music.
I think that the four of us together bring it all converges, but it also comes from like different roots.
Let me down. Gonna let you go. Nowhere in the hallway. Another drawn out fight. And that's all that's left now. Told you I was right. Do you think you can say? Nothing left for me. Do I stick around? I don't know if you let me down. Gonna let you go. That I didn't want to face. You were never home when I stopped by your place. Wanted to believe you. You assured me I was wrong, and I saw with my own eyes. Didn't even take that long. Think you should know I'm about to blow. So I left town. And you know, when you let me down, I'm gonna let you go.
I guess it kind of all started, Rick and I started playing music together just casually in my garage.
A couple Januaries ago.
And it was kind of rad because we just got together a few nights and like wrote a song each night. And then we were kind of like, I think we had to work on Jared for a little bit to get him to come play with us. And then when he did, he kept showing up. So that was rad. And ran into Billy at the X21 thing, talked about music, and Billy came. And so we're calling our band birthday the same day that Billy came to play with us.
April 19th?
April 19th.
Never really thought about like being in a band or anything like that, but when we started to play, I think I would have wanted to just sound like those bands and just be like a basic kind of like melodic punk rock band. And I like that everyone brings different influences to it. So it's not just that. It's actually maybe sometimes starts like that, but their influences actually change our sound a lot to where I don't think we sound like every other like basic like punk band that I probably would have envisioned us sounding like. So I think that's cool.
Yeah, we're the best. I'll go ahead and say it, Jared. I mean, I know that's where you're going with this.
We're the best, yeah.
So come for us.
Anything else?
I gave you what you wanted, but you threw away. I gave you what you needed, but you didn't stay. And now that I've moved on in, turn the page, you're coming back around and you won't play. I did everything I tried to please you. Eventually I came come through, well we're through. You say you just wanna move on, well me too. And now that I have found my match, it's killing you. You reach out to me and I turn away. And if you up inside that I'm okay. You should be happy that things turned out fine. And that you wanna hang me on the line. I gave you what you wanted, but you threw away. I gave you what you needed, but you didn't stay. And now that I moved on in, turn the page, you're coming back around and you wanna play. I did everything I could do to please you. Eventually I came to conclude that we're through. You say you just wanna move on, well me too. And now that I have found my match, it's killing you. You reach out to me and I turn away. And if you up inside that I'm okay. You should be happy that things turned out fine. But that you wanna hang me on the line. I gave you what you wanted, but you threw away. I gave you what you needed, but you didn't stay. And now that I've moved on in, turn the page, you're coming back around and you wanna play with me.
Yeah, I think Sacramento's always had a really good scene, especially for punk music. But growing up, high school, teenage years, it felt like there was a lot more venues to go see shows like that than there are nowadays. But I've never really stopped going to local shows. And then when we became a band, and then when we decided like we actually want to try and play shows and stuff like that, it's like we didn't really know what to do, like how to get booked at places. I mean, the only venues we've played at so far, we played at Cafe Colonial and we played at Old Ironsides, and so those were both that people invited us to play. But I thought it was like, so cool to be playing a place that I've been going to for like a couple of decades at least, you know what I mean, and play on the same stage that I've seen so many bands play on before.
Yeah.
So it was kind of like, for me, dream come true sort of thing, even though it's only a couple local shows that we've done.
And then you get up on that stage and you realize how small it is.
And try not to fall off.
I don't want to forget to say that we all came from, generally, or for the most part, I should say, we all came from the Sacramento skateboard scene.
Yeah.
And skateboarding and punk rock, or skateboarding and just music in general is like, I mean, they're inseparable. I think right now we're in sort of a renaissance era of punk rock and hardcore music, thanks to Colonial, people at Colonial and, a few other venues, but specifically there, and I think we had a really great experience there.
it's gonna be. Don't look for me, it's great. Self-facing up, no thing. Far away for me to take. Things of the birds on ring. Got some stranger living in my head. Subtle relevance but never said. Would I be alone if not for this? Fear is only real if not remiss. Look for me, if it's great, self-facing and no me. Far away from insane, chains of darkness to bring.
Were you going to ask us what TMU means? Did we already do that?
Yeah. Explain.
It's classified information.
Officially, it stands for nothing.
TMUs could mean a lot of things, and so the messy underwear and Todd's My Uncle is, I think, my favorite one, or Totally Made Up.
Billy's was tilt my uterus.
I did not. That was not me.
That's not you.
That was Todd. Todd's my uncle is
Tiny Mike's uppercut.
Totally made
Tiny
up.
Mike, yes.
I came up with this dumb idea. Yeah.
Say it, though.
I came up with this dumb idea, and I was like, hey, we could call ourselves this, but shorten it to TMU. It has kind of like nice ring to it. Who cares what it actually stands for or whatever?
Stands for whatever you want it to stand for. And like these guys said, some of the funnest answers have come from the crowd at shows, just yelling stuff out.
Yeah.
And it's hilarious.
Terminal 3. Life is happening, just not to me. Said the year was 73. Life is happening, just not to me. Come and take you away. Come and find one day. Come and take you away. Come and find one day. Terminal 3. Life is happening, just not to me. Who said the year was 73? Life was happening, just not to me. Come and find my name. Come and take me away. Come and find my name. They are the kingdom, but not the king. This place means nothing, not to me. They are the kingdom, but not the king. This place means nothing, not to me. Come and find my name. Come and take me away. Come and find my name. Come and take me away. Come and find my name. Come and take me away. Come and find my name.
Christian's probably got other stuff to do. It's 4 o'clock. Let's go. WrestleMania starts in 5 minutes.